I'm going to share the worksheet. So on the first question, okay, solve showing all steps and write interval if possible. What about the first one? How do we solve the first one?
Miss, since it's equal to -2, it's impossible.
Very good, very good. Because absolute value should have a positive value.
Positive.
And very good. So this is impossible. Very good. Now the second one, how do we solve it? This is impossible. The second one,
We write 4x minus 4 minus 3x equal 4x minus 4x plus 1.
very good.
And then we write 4 minus 3x equal minus 4x plus 1.
Exactly, very good. So here I have two cases. The first case, I take it the same, so as it is, and the second case, we take it opposite, and we solve normally as we solve the equation, and then we will get two solutions. What are they, Ahmad?
Miss, just let me check. I forgot.
It's okay.
Can I solve it? Because I don't know where the homework is on.
It's okay, it's okay. So I just want you to know that we take two conditions. Sami, I would like to hear you, okay? Because I need to check if you understood everything. Sami?
MS.
Okay, Sami. So did you solve the first one as impossible?
Yes.
Okay, and the second one, did you take the two conditions?
Yes, same
Okay.
opposite.
Okay, Sami, can you do the third one?
Kid.
Yeah, go ahead.
This in the first one the same. Put 4x minus equal 5.
So 4x minus 5, we take it equals to 5.
4x equal 10. 4x equal 10.
Very good. 4x equals 10.
And x equal to 4.
So x equals 5 over 2, right? After simplification.
Yeah.
Very good. What's the second case?
4x minus 5 equal 5.
Equals, you mean minus 5.
5, sorry.
Very good. So the first time we take it equals to 5, and the second time we take it equals minus 5. Very good. Very good, Sami. Ahmad, the last one.
2x minus 1 equal x.
Yes.
And 2x minus 1 equal minus x.
Very good. Very good. Perfect. So also we take two conditions. Very good. Now I'm going to continue. So on the second question, let me clear the screen. Just a second. Clear. Okay, the second question, in this question we have A and we have B and C. Okay, in this question you have to pay attention that what's the condition I need to take inside the absolute? What do we need to check?
If A is positive or negative.
Very good. So I need to check if 3 minus 2 radical 3 is positive or negative. So you just put it on the calculator. You put 3 minus 2 radical 3. If it's positive, what do we do?
We leave it as it is.
Exactly, we take it as it is. If it's negative, what do we do?
We switch the numbers.
Very good. We flip the numbers, so it becomes 2 radical 3 minus 3. By the way, is it negative or positive?
Positive.
It's a
negative, sorry, negative.
Negative.
It's negative, so it becomes 2 radical 3 minus 3. Very good. What about the second one? Radical 2 minus 1.
Positive.
It's positive, so we keep it as it is. The third one, radical 2 minus radical 3.
Negative.
Negative. So what do? We flip the numbers. So very good. So it becomes radical 3 minus radical 3. That's great. So now it will become easy to solve x and y. You just simplify them, right?
Yes.
Very good. Sami, did you get the answer for x? Do you have
Yes,
the view? What's x?
Equal
It's okay, Sam.
2 radical 3 minus 3
2
plus-
radical 3 minus 3
minus 1 radical 2 plus radical 2
plus radical 2 minus 1, right? Because radical 2 minus 1, it's a positive number, so we just take it as it is.
minus 3
Plus
minus radical 3
plus radical 3 minus radical 2.
Plus radical 3 minus radical 2.
Right, Sami?
uh,
Okay, now 2 radical 3 plus radical 3.
3 radical 3.
Radical 3 and radical 2 minus radical 2, they cross out each other. And
minus 4.
Minus 4, very good. So that's the answer. The same thing we are going to do in y, okay? Okay, now in number 2, write a without absolute value. How do we solve a? This one.
Miss, we take it either equal to 0, negative, or positive.
Very good. So we take 3 cases. Very good. Very good. If it's a positive value, then it's 3x minus 4.
Yes.
Okay, if it's 0, then it's minus 4. Okay, that's great. What about number 3? The number 3, it's similar to number 1.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I wanted to say.
Exactly. So we just check. Radical 8 minus 3, it's a positive or negative number?
Negative.
Negative. So it becomes, very good, Sami. So it becomes 3 minus radical 8. Great. And minus 5. And now 1 minus radical 2, it's also a negative number, right?
Yes, we switched.
So we switch the numbers. So it becomes radical 2 minus 1 minus, and then we open a bracket. 3 radical 2 minus 5.
It's negative as well, I think. Yes.
Negative? Do you think, Sami, it's negative? I don't have a calculator in front of me.
18, 25. Yes, it's negative, miss.
So it's 5 minus 3 radical 2.
5 minus 3 radical 2.
Very good. And now, what's a radical 32?
We simplify it.
We simplify. Very good. So we do the prime decomposition if you want, or you just put it on the calculator. You can take the value directly. It's okay. So it becomes...
Yes.
4 radical 2, I think. 4 radical 2. Okay? Because it's 16 times 2. So 16 goes 4 outside, and then it will be 2 inside. Very good. And now we just simplify them, and we put the final answer. It should be integer. Let us see it's going to give us an integer number. So now
we need to simplify radical 8 as well.
Very
right?
good. Radical 8 is written as
2 radical 2.
2 radical 2, very good. Minus 5 radical 2.
5 radical
Plus
5.
Plus 5.
5.
5.
Minus
5.
Very good. Plus
2.
3 radical 2 plus 4
plus
radical
4 radical 2.
Now let us reduce them. So minus 2 radical 2 and minus 5 radical 2 is?
Minus 7 radical 2 and 3 radical 2, 4 radical 2 plus,
so they
we
cancel.
get them all together.
Very good. So they cancel each other. Now
And minus 5 plus
very
5.
good also. So the final
3.
answer is 3. Excellent, which is an integer. Very good. Very good, guys. So let me see. We only had the two questions, right? No more questions.
Yes.
Okay. So great. What I want you to tell you now. Yes. Tell me, Ahmad.
No, I was just asking if we're done.
Yes, that's it. Actually, next week I'm going to continue the lesson. So this week we have learned how do we solve the absolute value in equations. Next week I'm going to explain in inequality, and we will be done by the lesson. Okay.
Okay.
So if you don't have any question, I think we are done.
Yes. I don't have any questions.
This week it was only homework. Next week we have a worksheet, a full worksheet. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome, Ahmed. Sami, do you have any question?
No, thank you, miss.
That's great. Great job, guys.
Bye, miss.
Bye bye.
Bye, miss.
Bye bye.